So this is a kind of concrete slash sandstone block wall that's been cleaned up. As you can see, this is what it was like before the cleanup. So I've just got to do this final section here, but I just wanted to show you that. And it's a pretty long block wall that I cleaned up. I just want to show you that. So the first thing we have to do with this kind of work is apply chemical, and that's critical. Cannot do this work without it. I'll just show you the application. I've already pre-sprayed all of the area with water so that we don't have any issues with damaging the plants. So there we go, there's the block wall completed. Right to the end. I'm not going on the grass because it's so boggy, but get my feet dirty again and get it all over the tiles. But there you go, that's a completed result. As I said, you know, we have to use chemical on the block, the sandstone block, to get it to a good place. And if you've got one or you need some help with cleaning it, get in touch and we'll be happy to give you a quote. Hope you enjoyed that video.